Dear friends, this video is about DHARAM SANSAD organized in Haridwar, that is in Chhattisgarh state, to incite violence against Muslims in India. This is nothing but genocide, which gave a open call for unleashing violence against a minority community, and it is against the values and principles under Indian Constitution and against the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide. That is, in 1948, the United Nations General Assembly has passed a resolution on December 9, 1948. In fact, that was the first human rights treaty that had been made in the international global level, and India was the one of the signatories at the initial stage itself. As of July 2019, there are about 150 nation states have been members of this convention and signed and ratified these conventions. According to this convention, this is a genocide convention. Genocide is a crime that can take place during a peacetime and also in wartime. Attempts have been made against members of a religious community that is in Haridwar district, that is in Chhattisgarh state, but a right-wing DHARAM SANSAD conclave against the religious Muslim minorities. It is here, and I would like to quote the Supreme Court of India judgment in S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. It has been upheld the rights that have been enshrined in the Indian Constitution from Articles 25 to 28, which had guaranteed the freedoms of the religious communities and their civil rights as per the S.R. Bommai constitutional bench. And I quote from the judgment: the provisions by implication prohibit incitement of a theocratic state and permit the state either identifying itself with or favoring only particular religion or religious sect or denomination. The state is organized to accord equal treatment to all religions and religious sects and denominations. This was the very judgment given in the S.R. Bommai case. The point herein is that in this case of this Haridwar, this conclave, most of the retired civil servants and retired army officers, naval officers, and other bureaucrats and academicians of various ranks have appealed to the government to stop all this incite against a religious community. The point herein is that all the civil servants and retired army officers, naval officers, bureaucrats and academicians of various walks of life have made their voices against this sort of incitement against a particular religious community. What is the role of the civil society? The civil society must be in a position to be vigilant, and they must be in the forefront of safeguarding the rights of the individuals, rights of the Muslim minorities, rights of the Dalits, rights of the women, whosoever it may be and whatsoever may be the marginalized sections, rights ought to be protected by the public at large. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.